When your car's air conditioning fuse blows, it creates distinct warning signs that you can identify. Understanding these symptoms helps you quickly diagnose the problem and take appropriate action. The first major warning sign is complete AC system failure. When this happens, you'll notice no response when you activate the AC controls. The compressor clutch doesn't engage, and depending on which fuse has blown, the blower fan may or may not work. The second warning sign is intermittent AC operation. This means your air conditioning works sporadically, may shut off unexpectedly, or provides reduced cooling performance. These symptoms often indicate a fuse that's partially damaged or experiencing intermittent failure. When inspecting your fuse box, look for visual signs of a blown fuse. A blown fuse will typically have a broken filament inside, blackened or burned appearance, or melted plastic housing. Focus on fuses labeled for AC components, like compressor, blower, or HVAC. Modern vehicles from 2022 and newer often include smart fuse technology that can alert you to blown fuses through dashboard warnings, diagnostic codes, or even mobile app notifications. This makes identifying AC fuse problems much easier than traditional visual inspection alone. Remember, these warning signs help you identify when an AC fuse has blown, but the next step is knowing how to properly check and replace it. Quick identification of these symptoms can save you time and prevent further damage to your vehicle's AC system. The first step is locating your vehicle's fuse box. Most cars have fuse boxes in the engine compartment or interior panel. Check your owner's manual for the exact location. Next, identify the AC-related fuses by looking for specific labels. Common labels include AC comp for the compressor, HVAC for the heating and cooling system, and blower for the fan motor. Use a fuse puller tool to safely remove the suspected fuse. These plastic tools come in various colors and prevent damage to both the fuse and fuse box. Never use metal tools or your fingers. Inspect the fuse visually for signs of failure. A blown fuse will have a broken wire filament visible through the clear plastic body, or may appear blackened from overheating. For a definitive test, use a multimeter set to measure resistance. Touch the probes to both ends of the fuse. A good fuse should read 0 ohms, while a blown fuse will show infinite resistance or no continuity. When replacing a blown fuse, always match the amperage rating exactly. Fuses are color-coded by amperage for easy identification. Never use a higher amperage fuse, as this can cause electrical damage or fire. Remember that AC fuses account for about 12% of all automotive electrical failures, with most occurring during summer months. If a fuse blows repeatedly, there may be an underlying electrical problem that requires professional diagnosis.